Settle softly now. Dear friend, allowing the gentle hush of the evening to envelop you like a comforting shawl, let your breath deepen, slowly, evenly, inviting a quiet calm into every part of your being. As the hurried rhythm of the day begins to recede, we'll embark on a journey not across vast, cold distances, but into the profound, quiet understanding of your very own self as it flows through your unique being, every single moment. This is our most intimate companion, a constant unseen presence we often take for granted in our bustling, waking hours, the astonishing, intricate design that makes you uniquely you. Imagine, if you will, standing before a vast, ancient library filled with countless, shimmering books. Each book is utterly distinct, bound in its own unique way, with its own specific stories, its own quiet wisdom contained within its pages. Yet, when you gently turn to the very first page of one of these books, you find a hidden, miniature blueprint, a meticulously detailed plan for that entire volume, compressed into a single elegant symbol. This symbol holds the secret to every character, every setting, every plot twist, every subtle nuance that will unfold throughout the book's entire existence. This beautiful, intricate symbol, for you, is your DNA. Your DNA is like a secret whisper, woven into the very fabric of your being. It is the original personal blueprint, a profound instruction manual that was meticulously crafted at the very dawn of your existence, when you were but a single miraculous cell. This blueprint holds all the fundamental instructions for building you the gentle curve of your smile, the particular shade of your eyes, the unique pattern of your fingerprints, even the subtle predispositions that contribute to your personality and your ways of thinking. It is an ancient, elegant script, written in a language far older than any human tongue, yet intimately familiar to every cell in your body. Think of it as an invisible thread of pure information, spun with incredible precision. This thread is so infinitesimally thin, so delicate, that if you were to unravel all the DNA from just one of your tiny cells and stretch it out, it would extend for nearly 2 meters. Yet, this immense length of complex data is coiled and folded with such exquisite artistry that it fits perfectly within the microscopic nucleus of each and every one of your countless cells. It is a testament to nature's profound efficiency and boundless creativity, a silent marvel hidden deep within. Consider how this unique blueprint makes you one of a kind, while you share many similarities with your family, with humanity, and indeed with all life on Earth. For we all share a common ancestral thread. Your specific DNA sequence is a unique combination. It is a singular melody in the grand symphony of life, played only by you. This uniqueness isn't a random accident, it's a profound, intrinsic beauty, a quiet celebration of individuality that pervades the natural world. No two snowflakes are exactly alike. No two leaves on a tree are identical, and no two human beings, save for identical twins who share an initial blueprint, carry the exact same genetic whisper. And even then, life's gentle unfolding will sculpt their paths uniquely. This profound realization of your inherent uniqueness, guided by the subtle instructions of your DNA, can bring a deep sense of peace. It tells you, without words, that you are wonderfully made, perfectly designed for your own unfolding journey. There is no need to compare yourself to others, no need to strive to be someone you are not. For within you lies a fundamental, exquisite plan, a personal narrative that is perfectly suited to your own experience of existence. It is a soft reassurance that, despite the complexities and wonders of the universe, there is a fundamental, relatable rhythm that governs your most intimate reality, ensuring your cherished individuality. This understanding also extends a gentle sense of connection. While your blueprint is unique, it is also interwoven with the blueprints of all those who came before you, your parents, their parents, stretching back through countless generations. Your DNA carries whispers from your ancestors, subtle echoes of their journeys, their adaptations, their very existence. It is a living, breathing lineage, connecting you to the vast, intricate tapestry of human history, a gentle current flowing from the distant past into your very own present moment. You are a continuation, a beautifully evolving chapter in an ancient, ongoing story. So, as you rest now, allow yourself to sink even deeper into this gentle appreciation for the unique whisper within you. Feel the profound peace that comes from knowing this intricate blueprint. This personal narrative cradles your every experience, moment by moment, day by day. It is a safe haven, a familiar landscape of wisdom, a comforting embrace that holds you securely in its gentle grasp. There is no need to question its design, no need to strain against its gentle tide. Simply allow the soft, unwavering presence of your own DNA, your unique blueprint, to envelop you, bringing with it a deep sense of belonging and profound tranquility. This very groundedness, this quiet assurance in the familiar, is the perfect starting point for our gentle journey into the less tangible aspects of DNA. For only when we are deeply rooted in the known can we softly open our minds to the whispers of what might lie just beyond the edges of our current understanding, to the ethereal possibilities that might subtly color the vast tapestry of life's intricate design. But for now, let this comfort of your own unique blueprint be your gentle anchor, a warm and safe harbor from which all future explorations will quietly begin. Allow your mind to gently drift through these profound images now, like a slow, unburdened thought, softly exploring the delicate patterns of a unique snowflake within the comforting space of your own individual being. There's no need to strain or to analyze. Simply let the beauty and the quiet elegance of the unique whisper, your own blueprint, wash over you, bringing a deep sense of wonder and a quiet peace. As your breath deepens and your body softens into its resting place, imagine yourself connected to the vast, silent processes of life's intricate design, where everything unfolds with an unhurried grace and a profound sense of intrinsic purpose. Feel the profound sense of belonging to this continuous, rhythmic flow of existence, held by the gentle, unseen forces that govern all things. Let your eyelids grow heavy now, as if tiny, ethereal whispers from your very cells are drawing them slowly, softly downward. The sounds of the world are fading, becoming distant whispers. The unique whisper, your own blueprint, is guiding you deeper, its quiet rhythm a soothing presence in the quiet night. Rest now, dear listener, cradled in the boundless, nurturing embrace of your irreplaceable self, drifting softly towards the serene landscape of dreams, knowing that all is flowing, all is unique, and all is at peace. Settle even deeper now. Dear friend, into this profound quiet, allowing your mind to expand gently, like a vast, serene garden bathed in the soft light of twilight, where intricate vines gracefully intertwine, reaching silently upwards, creating a structure of exquisite balance and quiet beauty. If your spirit feels as tranquil and appreciative as a quiet observer of such natural artistry, poised to discern the profound elegance in hidden forms, then you are perfectly poised for our next quiet contemplation. We have softly grounded ourselves in the comforting familiarity of your own unique genetic blueprint. Today, let us gently journey into the very heart of that blueprint, exploring the magnificent structure known as the double helix, an elegant dance. Imagine, if you will, a truly ancient and beautiful spiral staircase, crafted not from stone or wood, but from the very essence of light and silent information. This staircase is incredibly long, far beyond what your eyes could ever fully perceive. Yet it is coiled with such perfect precision that it fits within the tiniest, most protected chamber of every cell in your body. This is the wondrous form of DNA, a structure so elegantly simple in its repeating parts, yet so infinitely complex in the information it holds. It is the very blueprint we spoke of, now revealed in its profound, architectural grace. The term double helix itself whispers of its shape double, suggesting two intertwined strands. and helix evoking a continuous spiral form, like a gentle, perpetual twist. Picture two soft, shimmering ribbons, not merely running parallel, but gracefully twining around each other, always maintaining a perfect, loving distance, held together by invisible bonds. This continuous, graceful twist is what gives DNA its remarkable stability and its profound capacity to hold immense amounts of information without tangling or breaking its silent message. It's like two gentle streams, flowing endlessly alongside each other, forever in a soft, reciprocal embrace. Now, let's gently consider the steps or rungs of this elegant spiral staircase. These are formed by four remarkable chemical letters, known as nucleotides adenine A, thymine T, guanine G, and cytosine C. These are the fundamental units of information in your genetic blueprint. The magic and the elegance lies in how they pair up. Adenine always gently seeks out and bonds with thymine, and guanine always softly connects with cytosine. They are perfect, complementary partners, always finding each other in a faithful, quiet dance. It's like finding the perfect interlocking pieces in a delicate puzzle, each one designed to fit only with its destined companion. These paired letters form the rungs of the ladder, bridging the two shimmering ribbons of the helix, and the order in which these rungs appear, the unique sequence of A's, T's, G's, and C's along the vast length of your DNA, is the silent language that spells out all the instructions for building and maintaining your entire being. This sequence is unique to you, a personal genetic code that guides everything from the deepest processes within your cells to the most visible traits of your physical form. It is a vast, profound library, written in an alphabet of 4 letters, capable of composing an infinite number of stories. Consider the profound implications of this elegant structure. The very act of replication, when a cell needs to make a perfect copy of its DNA before dividing, is a testament to the helix's design. The two intertwined strands gently unwind, like a zipper slowly unzipping. Then, each single strand acts as a template, calling forth its perfect complementary partners. A attracts T, G attracts C to build a brand new, identical partner strand. It's a dance of exquisite precision, a gentle process of duplication that ensures the faithful transmission of your unique blueprint from one generation of cells to the next, from parent to child, echoing through the vastness of time. This quiet, continuous dance of replication is happening within you right now, millions upon millions of times a second, as your body gently renews itself, heals, and grows. It is a testament to the timeless ingenuity of nature, a silent miracle unfolding within your very being, moment by moment. The double helix is not just a static blueprint, it is a dynamic, living structure, constantly engaging in this elegant dance of unwinding, copying, and recoiling, all with a grace and efficiency that humble even our most advanced technologies. This profound contemplation of the double helix and its elegant dance brings an immense sense of wonder and deep reverence for the unseen architecture of life. It reminds us that even at the most fundamental level, existence is characterized by beauty, order, and a quiet, profound intelligence. There is no need to actively direct this intricate dance. Simply by existing, by breathing, by allowing yourself to be, you are participating in this profound, ongoing miracle. The double helix is a testament to life's persistent, quiet determination, a continuous lullaby of biological existence. So, as you rest now, allow yourself to sink even deeper into this gentle appreciation for DNA's elegant form. Feel the profound peace that comes from knowing this intricate spiral. This masterpiece of molecular architecture cradles your very essence, moment by moment, day by day. It is a safe haven, a familiar landscape of wisdom, a comforting embrace that holds you securely in its gentle grasp. There is no need to question its design, no need to strain against its gentle rhythm. Simply allow the soft, unwavering presence of the double helix, gracefully dancing within you to envelop you, bringing with it a deep sense of belonging and profound tranquility. This very groundedness, this quiet assurance in the familiar yet infinitely complex, is the perfect starting point for our gentle journey into the less tangible aspects of DNA. For only when we are deeply rooted in the known can we softly open our minds to the whispers of what might lie just beyond the edges of our current understanding, to the ethereal possibilities that might subtly color the vast tapestry of life's intricate design. But for now, let this comfort of the double helix's elegant dance be your gentle anchor, a warm and safe harbor from which all future explorations will quietly begin. Allow your mind to gently drift through these profound images now, like a slow, unburdened thought, softly tracing the intricate spirals of an ancient vine within the comforting space of your own molecular being. There's no need to strain or to analyze. Simply let the beauty and the quiet elegance of the double helix, an elegant dance, wash over you, bringing a deep sense of wonder and a quiet peace. As your breath deepens and your body softens into its resting place, imagine yourself connected to the vast, silent processes of life's intricate design, where everything unfolds with an unhurried grace and a profound sense of intrinsic purpose. Feel the profound sense of belonging to this continuous, rhythmic flow of existence, held by the gentle, unseen forces that govern all things. Let your eyelids grow heavy now, as if tiny ethereal whispers from the very core of your cells are drawing them slowly, softly downward. The sounds of the world are fading, becoming distant whispers. The double helix, an elegant dance, is guiding you deeper, its quiet rhythm a soothing presence in the quiet night. Rest now, dear listener, cradled in the boundless, nurturing embrace of your own fundamental design, drifting softly towards the serene landscape of dreams, knowing that all is flowing, all is structured, and all is at peace. Settle even deeper now, dear friend, into this profound quiet, allowing your mind to expand gently. Like a vast, serene ocean that holds within its deepest currents the silent, unbroken echoes of millennia, from the very first drop of rain to the boundless migrations of ancient creatures. If your spirit feels as tranquil and connected as a quiet diver exploring these timeless depths, poised to discern the subtle whispers of bygone eras, then you are perfectly poised for our next quiet contemplation. We have softly explored the elegant structure of your own DNA. Today, let us gently journey into its deeper meaning, understanding it not just as a personal blueprint, but as an ancient script carrying messages from the past. Imagine, if you will, that the double helix within each of your cells is not merely a set of instructions for you, but a vast, living library, inscribed with stories far older than any human civilization, any spoken language, or any written word. This library began its collection billions of years ago, with the very first stirrings of life on our gentle earth. Each twist of its elegant spiral, each pairing of its delicate letters, carries within it a subtle echo of every living thing that has ever existed, a profound, continuous lineage stretching back to the dawn of biological time. Think of your DNA as a venerable, sacred manuscript, passed down through countless generations. Every time life has reproduced, from the simplest single-celled organism drifting in an ancient sea to the most complex beings walking the earth today, this manuscript has been lovingly copied, page by delicate page, from parent to offspring. With each copying, there have been tiny, gentle alterations. A new word here, a subtle change in phrasing there that account for the immense diversity of life we see all around us. Yet, the core narrative, the fundamental principles of life, remain deeply preserved within its ancient script. Consider how this profound connection links you to everything that breathes and grows. A small yet significant portion of your DNA is remarkably similar to that found in a soaring bird, a majestic oak tree, or even the most microscopic bacterium. This isn't a mere coincidence, it is a gentle testament to our shared ancestry, a quiet acknowledgement that all life on Earth is part of one vast, interconnected family, born from the same primordial whispers of existence. Your cells carry within them the echoes of creatures that swam in ancient oceans, crawled onto land for the first time, and learned to fly on the wind. It's like discovering that all the different stories in that immense library, though unique, are all written in variations of the same profound, underlying alphabet. This ancestral inheritance is not just a scientific fact, it's a deeply poetic one. It means that within you, right now, are the quiet whispers of adaptations developed over eons, the silent wisdom for survival, honed in countless environments, the gentle resilience against countless challenges, the persistent drive to grow and thrive. Your DNA carries the memory of sunlight filtered through primeval forests, the rush of ancient rivers, the vast, silent stretches of geological time. It is a living chronicle, unfolding its epic tale through every beating heart. Even the subtle variations we observe within human families and across human populations around the world are part of this ancient script's ongoing story. They reflect the gentle migrations of our ancestors across continents, their quiet adaptations to different climates, their encounters with new environments. These variations are like different dialects of the same profound language, each adding its own unique flavor and richness to the overall human narrative. They are not imperfections, but rather beautiful brushstrokes of evolution's quiet artistry, ensuring our species' resilience and adaptability in a constantly changing world. This profound contemplation of the ancient script and its messages from the past brings an immense sense of wonder, connection, and deep humility. It reminds us that our individual lives are but brief, precious chapters in an infinitely grander, ongoing story of life on Earth. There is no need to actively direct this vast inheritance, simply by existing, by breathing, by allowing yourself to be. You are participating in this profound, continuous miracle. Your DNA is a testament to life's persistent, quiet determination, a continuous lullaby of evolutionary existence. So, as you rest now, allow yourself to sink even deeper into this gentle appreciation for the ancient wisdom within you. Feel the profound peace that comes from knowing this intricate manuscript, this living history, cradles your very essence moment by moment, day by day. It is a safe haven, a familiar landscape of wisdom, a comforting embrace that holds you securely in its gentle grasp. There is no need to question its age, no need to strain against its gentle whispers. Simply allow the soft, unwavering presence of your own DNA, as an ancient script carrying messages from the past, to envelop you, bringing with it a deep sense of belonging and profound tranquility. This very groundedness, this quiet assurance in the familiar yet infinitely deep, is the perfect starting point for our gentle journey into the less tangible aspects of DNA. For only when we are deeply rooted in the known can we softly open our minds to the whispers of what might lie just beyond the edges of our current understanding, to the ethereal possibilities that might subtly color the vast tapestry of life's intricate design. But for now, let this comfort of the ancient script be your gentle anchor, a warm and safe harbor from which all future explorations will quietly begin. Allow your mind to gently drift through these profound images now, like a slow, unburdened thought, softly tracing the faded script of an ancient scroll. Within the comforting space of your own evolutionary history, there's no need to strain or to analyze. Simply let the beauty and the quiet elegance of the ancient script, messages from the past, wash over you, bringing a deep sense of wonder and a quiet peace. As your breath deepens and your body softens into its resting place, imagine yourself connected to the vast, silent processes of life's intricate design, where everything unfolds with an unhurried grace and a profound sense of intrinsic purpose. Feel the profound sense of belonging to this continuous, rhythmic flow of existence, held by the gentle and unseen forces that govern all things. Let your eyelids grow heavy now, as if tiny, ethereal whispers from distant ancestors are drawing them slowly, softly downward. The sounds of the world are fading, becoming distant whispers. The ancient script, messages from the past, is guiding you deeper. Its quiet rhythm a soothing presence in the quiet night. Rest now, dear listener, cradled in the boundless, nurturing embrace of your timeless lineage, drifting softly towards the serene landscape of dreams, knowing that all is flowing, all is ancient, and all is at peace. Settle even deeper now, dear friend, into this profound quiet, allowing your mind to expand gently, like a vast, serene tapestry softly unfolding before you, where countless shimmering threads are meticulously woven together, forming intricate patterns and revealing the hidden images that guide every stitch. If your spirit feels as tranquil and observant as a quiet craftsman, poised to discern the profound artistry in these delicate constructions, then you are perfectly poised for our next quiet contemplation. We have softly explored the ancient script within your DNA and its elegant double helix structure. Today, let us gently journey into how this wondrous blueprint actually works, revealing its profound purpose as the building blocks of life, the language of genes. Imagine, if you will, that the immense ancient manuscript of your DNA is not just a silent record, but a vibrant, living cookbook filled with countless precious recipes. Each recipe is incredibly precise, detailing exactly how to create a specific, essential component for the grand feast of your existence. These individual recipes, these delicate instructions within the vast volume of your DNA, are what we gently call genes. Each gene is a specific sequence of those four chemical letters: adenine A, thymine T, guanine G, and cytosine C, arranged in a particular order, like a unique set of words forming a coherent sentence. Think of these genes as the fundamental units of instruction for life. They are the silent architects, the unseen builders, guiding the construction and maintenance of your entire being. While your entire DNA holds the complete library, each gene is like a carefully extracted chapter, dedicated to a single, vital task. These chapters are not merely descriptive, they are deeply active. Their primary role is to provide the code, the blueprint for creating proteins. Proteins, in turn, are the true workhorses of your body. They are the enzymes that facilitate countless chemical reactions, the structural components that build your tissues, the messengers that carry signals, and so much more. They are the shimmering, active components that truly bring your blueprint to life. Consider the journey from a silent genetic instruction to a vibrant, functioning protein. It begins with a process called transcription, a gentle, delicate act where a specific gene sequence is carefully copied from the DNA into a temporary messenger molecule called RNA. Imagine a skilled scribe meticulously copying a single recipe from the ancient cookbook onto a scroll, so it can be carried to the kitchen. This RNA messenger then gently travels out of the DNA's protected chamber, the cell's nucleus, and floats into the wider, bustling space of the cell. Once there, the RNA messenger encounters tiny, intricate molecular machines called ribosomes. This is where the magic of translation happens, where the language of genes is finally converted into the vibrant language of proteins. The ribosome gently reads the RNA sequence, 3 letters at a time, like reading words in a sentence. Each 3-letter word in the RNA corresponds to a specific amino acid, which are the individual building blocks of proteins. As the ribosome moves along the RNA, it gathers these amino acids, one by one, linking them together in a precise order, like stringing pearls onto a delicate necklace. It's a process of quiet, meticulous assembly, guided by the genetic code. The sequence in which these amino acids are linked is crucial, for it determines the protein's unique 3-dimensional shape, and a protein's shape, in turn, dictates its function. A protein designed to carry oxygen might gently fold into a spherical shape, perfectly suited to cradle oxygen molecules. Another, designed to break down sugars, might form a precise pocket to embrace sugar molecules and encourage their gentle transformation. The elegance lies in this direct relationship. A specific gene sequence leads to a specific RNA message, which leads to a specific amino acid sequence, which finally folds into a specific protein shape, capable of performing a unique and vital task within your body. This continuous, exquisite dance of reading, copying, and building is happening within every one of your cells, every single moment of your life. It is the fundamental process that allows you to grow, to heal, to think, to breathe, to feel. Your body is a symphony of countless, diverse proteins, each diligently performing its specific role, all orchestrated by the silent, profound language of your genes. It is a testament to the timeless ingenuity of nature, a silent miracle unfolding within your very being, moment by moment. The language of genes is not just a static code, it is a dynamic, living instruction set, constantly being interpreted and acted upon with a grace and efficiency that humble even our most advanced technologies. This profound contemplation of the building blocks of life and the language of genes brings an immense sense of wonder and deep reverence for the unseen, intricate mechanisms that sustain you. It reminds us that, even at the most fundamental level, existence is characterized by beauty, order, and a quiet, profound intelligence. There is no need to actively direct this intricate process. Simply by existing, by breathing, by allowing yourself to be, you are participating in this profound, ongoing miracle. The language of genes is a testament to life's persistent, quiet determination, a continuous lullaby of biological existence. So, as you rest now, allow yourself to sink even deeper into this gentle appreciation for the living instructions within you. Feel the profound peace that comes from knowing this intricate language, this masterpiece of molecular information, cradles your very essence moment by moment, day by day. It is a safe haven, a familiar landscape of wisdom, a comforting embrace that holds you securely in its gentle grasp. There is no need to question its design, no need to strain against its gentle rhythm. Simply allow the soft, unwavering presence of the language of genes, eloquently speaking within you, to envelop you, bringing with it a deep sense of belonging and profound tranquility. This very groundedness, this quiet assurance in the familiar yet infinitely intelligent, is the perfect starting point for our gentle journey into the less tangible aspects of DNA. For only when we are deeply rooted in the known can we softly open our minds to the whispers of what might lie just beyond the edges of our current understanding, to the ethereal possibilities that might subtly color the vast tapestry of life's intricate design. But for now, let this comfort of the language of genes be your gentle anchor, a warm and safe harbor from which all future explorations will quietly begin. Allow your mind to gently drift through these profound images now, like a slow, unburdened thought, softly reading the delicate patterns of a hidden script within the comforting space of your own cellular being. There's no need to strain or to analyze. Simply let the beauty and the quiet elegance of the building blocks of life, the language of genes, wash over you, bringing a deep sense of wonder and a quiet peace. As your breath deepens and your body softens into its resting place, imagine yourself connected to the vast, silent processes of life's intricate design, where everything unfolds with an unhurried grace and a profound sense of intrinsic purpose. Feel the profound sense of belonging to this continuous, rhythmic flow of existence, held by the gentle, unseen forces that govern all things. Let your eyelids grow heavy now, as if tiny, ethereal whispers from the very core of your cells are drawing them slowly, softly downward. The sounds of the world are fading, becoming distant whispers. The building blocks of life, the language of genes, is guiding you deeper, its quiet rhythm a soothing presence in the quiet night. Rest now, dear listener, cradled in the boundless, nurturing embrace of your own fundamental design, drifting softly towards the serene landscape of dreams, knowing that all is flowing, all is coding, and all is at peace. Settle even deeper now, dear friend, into this profound quiet, allowing your mind to expand gently, like a vast ancient loom, where threads of light and shadow are meticulously woven into the fabric of life. And now, with the softest touch, a new set of delicate tools emerges, promising to repair and refine its most intricate patterns. If your spirit feels as tranquil and hopeful as a quiet artisan, poised to discern the profound potential in these gentle innovations, then you are perfectly poised for our next quiet contemplation. We have softly explored the elegant structure and ancient language of your own DNA. Today, let us gently journey into a realm where humanity begins, with immense care and reverence, to interact with this blueprint, understanding the weaver's tools and the new possibilities they gently unfold. Imagine, if you will, that the vast, intricate tapestry of life, woven by the language of genes, sometimes holds a tiny, almost imperceptible flaw. Perhaps a single thread is slightly out of place, or a color is subtly amiss, leading to a pattern that doesn't quite fulfill its intended design. In the grand scheme of things, the universe, in its boundless wisdom, often finds ways to adapt, to gently work around these minor imperfections. But sometimes these subtle flaws can cause profound challenges, leading to conditions that whisper of discomfort or imbalance within the delicate harmony of a living being. For countless ages, humanity has watched this intricate weaving with awe, able to admire its beauty, but largely unable to directly intervene in its most fundamental patterns. We have learned to support, to soothe, to manage, but the core instructions remained beyond our direct reach. Now, however, with the quiet dawn of a new scientific understanding, new instruments have been delicately placed into our hands. Not blunt instruments, but precise, almost ethereal tools, like the finest needles and threads of a master weaver. These are the gentle technologies of gene editing, among which a particularly elegant system known as CRISPR has emerged, whispering of profound new possibilities. Think of CRISPR not as a forceful intervention, but as a highly intelligent, remarkably precise molecular guide. It's like a tiny, watchful librarian within the cell, capable of navigating the immense library of your DNA with astonishing accuracy. This librarian has a unique gift. It can be given a specific address, a precise sequence of those four chemical letters A, T, G, C, and it will gently find that exact spot within the vast, winding corridors of the double helix. Once it finds its target, it can then, with the utmost care, make a tiny, precise cut in the DNA, right at that specific spot. The true magic, and the profound new possibility, lies in what happens after this gentle cut. Once the DNA has been subtly opened at a particular point, the cell's own natural repair mechanisms, which are always working to maintain the integrity of the blueprint, gently spring into action. And here's where we, the quiet observers, can introduce a new, perfectly designed piece of DNA, a patch or a correction of the original blueprint. The cell's natural repair machinery will then, with quiet cooperation, gently weave this new, corrected segment into the original tapestry. It's like a master artisan carefully removing a single, flawed stitch from an exquisite embroidery and then, with gentle hands, replacing it with a perfect, identical one, restoring the pattern to its intended beauty. The primary and most immediate promise of these weavers' tools lies in the realm of healing. Imagine a genetic condition caused by a single, misplaced letter, a tiny typographical error in the vast genetic script. With gene editing, there is the quiet, profound hope of being able to gently correct that error directly at its source. This could mean alleviating the suffering caused by conditions like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, or Huntington's disease, not by treating the symptoms, but by addressing the fundamental genetic whisper that contributes to their unfolding. It offers a whisper of profound relief, a gentle lifting of burdens that have been passed down through generations. Consider the delicate touch required for such an endeavor. This is not about fundamentally altering who someone is, but about restoring balance and harmony to a system that has been subtly disrupted. It is about gently guiding the body's own incredible capacity for repair, allowing it to mend what has been inadvertently flawed. The ethical considerations are immense and complex, and they are approached with the utmost caution and gentle contemplation. We are merely beginning to understand the profound responsibility that comes with holding such delicate tools. This quiet exploration is driven by a deep wellspring of compassion, a desire to alleviate suffering and to bring a gentle sense of wholeness to those whose blueprints carry difficult whispers. This profound contemplation of the weaver's tools and new possibilities brings an immense sense of wonder, hope, and deep responsibility. It reminds us that humanity's gentle quest for understanding is also a quest for healing, driven by a compassionate heart. It tells us that even the most complex biological challenges might, with patient inquiry and gentle innovation, find pathways to resolution. There is no need to actively direct these grand scientific advances. Simply by resting in the quiet space of their contemplation, you are participating in a profound, ongoing dance of cosmic understanding and hopeful human endeavor. So, as you rest now, allow yourself to sink even deeper into this gentle appreciation for the healing potential within us. Feel the profound peace that comes from knowing that the very intelligence of the universe, woven into our own being, can now be subtly guided to mend and to restore. It is a safe haven, a familiar landscape of wisdom, a comforting embrace that holds you securely in its gentle grasp. There is no need to grasp every intricate technical detail. Simply allow the peaceful awareness of this gentle, pervasive possibility to wash over you, bringing a deep sense of serenity and profound peace. This appreciation for the weaver's tools can bring immense comfort. It affirms that even the most deeply embedded challenges can, with careful, compassionate wisdom, find paths toward gentle resolution. It empowers you to approach the evolving landscape of genetic science with a sense of wonder and deep respect for the subtle wisdom embedded within the laws of nature. It reminds you that within the quiet expanses of biological possibility, a timeless dance of innovation and profound care unfolds, always available, always contributing to your gentle journey through life. Allow your mind to gently drift through these profound images now, like a slow, unburdened thought, softly mending a delicate thread in a vast tapestry, guided by the quiet wisdom of new tools. There's no need to strain or to analyze. Simply let the beauty and the quiet elegance of the weaver's tools, new possibilities, wash over you, bringing a deep sense of wonder and a quiet peace. As your breath deepens and your body softens into its resting place, imagine yourself connected to the vast, silent processes of life's intricate design, where every subtle stitch holds a potential for profound healing and restoration. Feel the profound sense of belonging to this continuous rhythmic flow of existence, held by the gentle and unseen forces that govern all things. Let your eyelids grow heavy now, as if tiny, ethereal whispers of healing promise are drawing them slowly, softly downward. The sounds of the world are fading, becoming distant whispers. The weaver's tools, new possibilities, is guiding you deeper. Its quiet rhythm a soothing presence in the quiet night. Rest now, dear listener, cradled in the boundless, nurturing embrace of scientific compassion, drifting softly towards the serene landscape of dreams, knowing that all is flowing, all is mending, and all is at peace. Settle even deeper now, dear friend, into this profound quiet, allowing your mind to expand gently, like a vast, serene canvas where a master artist has meticulously laid down countless, shimmering layers of color, each stroke contributing to a unique and deeply personal masterpiece. If your spirit feels as tranquil and contemplative as a quiet observer of such profound creation, poised to ponder the subtle nuances that define true artistry, Then you are perfectly poised for our next quiet contemplation. We have softly explored the gentle tools that offer hope for mending the intricate fabric of our DNA. Today, let us gently journey into a realm where these very tools, in different hands or with different intentions, might suggest a more profound, more ethically complex alteration, delving into the delicate brushstrokes that consider going beyond mere repair. Imagine, if you will, the sacred manuscript of your DNA, the ancient script we spoke of earlier, now seen not just as a set of instructions for healing, but as a potential blueprint for design. Up until now, our contemplation has focused on the gentle act of correction, removing a subtle flaw, restoring a lost harmony, much like a skilled conservator meticulously repairing a damaged section of a priceless painting. This work is driven by compassion, by a quiet desire to alleviate suffering and to bring a sense of wholeness where there was once imbalance. It honors the inherent design, simply seeking to mend it. However, the very precision and power of these weaver's tools, like CRISPR, open a new, profound, and ethically challenging question. What if we could use these tools not just to repair a natural genetic variation that causes disease, but to enhance or create entirely new traits that do not arise naturally, or to select for specific characteristics purely based on preference? This is the subtle shift from healing to designing, a whisper that calls for immense caution and profound deliberation. It's like moving from gently restoring an antique tapestry to contemplating adding entirely new, unprecedented patterns to its ancient weave. Patterns that were never part of its original, organic design. Consider the difference. Correcting a gene that causes a debilitating illness, like cystic fibrosis, is widely seen as a compassionate endeavor, bringing relief to those who suffer. This is an act of gentle restoration, of returning the biological system to a healthier, more balanced state. But what if the discussion shifts to using these tools to, for example, subtly alter a gene to make a child taller, or to potentially enhance cognitive abilities, or even to select for specific eye or hair color? These are not about alleviating suffering. They are about shaping human characteristics in ways that go beyond the natural lottery of genetic inheritance. This contemplation steps into what is often referred to as germline editing. This term refers to changes made to the DNA of reproductive cells, sperm or egg, or to an embryo in its very earliest stages. The profound implication here is that any genetic alterations made at this level would not only affect the individual being designed, but would also be passed down to all future generations. The delicate brushstrokes applied at this stage would not just affect one canvas, they would subtly reshape the entire lineage, altering the inherited script for countless unborn beings. It's like subtly altering the ancient manuscript itself, not just repairing a damaged copy, but changing the original text from which all future copies will be made. The ethical questions that arise from such possibilities are immense and complex, deserving of profound, quiet reflection. Who decides what characteristics are desirable or superior? What happens to the inherent value and acceptance of natural human diversity if certain traits become designed or preferred? Could this lead to a subtle, almost imperceptible pressure to conform, or to new forms of societal stratification based on genetic enhancements? These are not questions with easy answers, and they require a collective, gentle wisdom from all of humanity. Think of the natural world, with its boundless, quiet diversity. Every tree, every flower, every creature is perfectly adapted to its niche, beautiful in its own unique form, shaped by eons of natural selection. The subtle variations, the gentle adaptations, are what give life its resilience, its beauty, and its profound capacity to thrive in an ever-changing world. To deliberately reduce this natural diversity, or to impose a narrow set of desired characteristics, could, in the long arc of time, subtly diminish the very robustness and wondrous variety of the human species. It's like a quiet garden, where the beauty lies in the spontaneous, organic unfolding of countless unique blooms, and not in a rigidly cultivated monoculture. This profound contemplation of the delicate brushstrokes and the idea of going beyond repair invites us to approach the power of genetic intervention with immense humility and quiet foresight. It reminds us that while our capacity for scientific innovation is vast, our wisdom in applying that power must be even greater. It tells us that the universe holds a deep, inherent respect for the integrity of its own natural processes, and we, as gentle stewards of life, must mirror that respect. There is no need to actively seek to control every aspect of life's design. Simply by resting in the quiet space of profound ethical consideration, you are participating in a timeless dance of human responsibility and cosmic reverence. So, as you rest now, allow yourself to sink even deeper into this gentle appreciation for the profound wisdom of natural design. Feel the profound peace that comes from knowing that true strength and beauty often lie in accepting and honoring the intricate, undesigned patterns of life. It is a safe haven, a familiar landscape of wisdom, a comforting embrace that holds you securely in its gentle grasp. There is no need to grasp every intricate ethical debate. Simply allow the peaceful awareness of this gentle yet pervasive responsibility to wash over you, bringing a deep sense of serenity and profound peace. This appreciation for the delicate brushstrokes can bring immense comfort. It affirms that the most valuable treasure is not found in manufactured perfection, but in the boundless inherent beauty of organic existence. It empowers you to approach the evolving landscape of genetic science with a sense of wonder and deep respect for the subtle wisdom embedded within the laws of nature. It reminds you that within the quiet expanses of human endeavor, a timeless dance of innovation and profound ethical care unfolds, always available, always contributing to your gentle journey through life. Allow your mind to gently drift through these profound images now, like a slow, unburdened thought, softly contemplating the unique patterns of a natural masterpiece. Guided by the quiet wisdom of acceptance, there's no need to strain or to analyze. Simply let the beauty and the quiet elegance of the delicate brushstrokes, beyond repair, wash over you, bringing a deep sense of wonder and a quiet peace. As your breath deepens and your body softens into its resting place, imagine yourself connected to the vast, silent processes of life's intricate design, where every subtle pattern holds a potential for profound, unfolding beauty. Feel the profound sense of belonging to this continuous, rhythmic flow of existence, held by the gentle, unseen forces that govern all things. Let your eyelids grow heavy now, as if tiny, ethereal whispers of ethical wisdom are drawing them slowly, softly downward. The sounds of the world are fading, becoming distant whispers. The delicate brushstrokes, beyond repair, is guiding you deeper. Its quiet rhythm a soothing presence in the quiet night. Rest now, dear listener, cradled in the boundless, nurturing embrace of a naturally unfolding existence, drifting softly towards the serene landscape of dreams, knowing that all is flowing, all is natural, and all is at peace. Settle even deeper now, dear friend, into this profound quiet, allowing your mind to expand gently, like a vast, untouched lake whose surface, though seemingly still, holds the potential for unseen currents to ripple outwards, subtly changing the reflections upon its face, and influencing all that lies beneath. If your spirit feels as tranquil and discerning as a quiet mariner, poised to contemplate the far-reaching effects of even the smallest disturbance in a boundless expanse, then you are perfectly poised for our next quiet contemplation. We have softly explored the delicate tools of gene editing and the profound ethical questions that arise when we consider going beyond repair. Today, let us gently journey into the realm of uncharted waters, understanding the ripples in the gene pool that such profound changes might create, echoing through time and generations. Imagine, if you will, the collective genetic blueprint of all humanity, the vast ancient library of DNA that defines our species, not as separate books, but as a single, immense, interconnected body of water, a gene pool. This pool is vast and deep, filled with countless variations, subtle differences that make each individual unique, yet bind us all together in the grand tapestry of human life. This diversity is our strength, our resilience, a testament to millions of years of gentle adaptation and evolution. It's like a vibrant, healthy ecosystem, where every unique plant and creature contributes to the overall robustness and beauty of the whole. Now, consider the profound implications of germline editing, the idea of making changes to the DNA in reproductive cells, sperm or egg, or in early embryos, changes that would then be passed down to all future generations. While the promise of curing debilitating genetic diseases through such means is a whisper of immense hope, the act of deliberately altering the human germline also carries the potential for creating unseen ripples across this vast gene pool. Ripples whose full extent and long-term consequences are, at present, largely unknown and deeply complex. It's like dropping a single, seemingly small pebble into the very deepest, stillest part of that immense lake. The ripples might begin subtly, but they could eventually reach every distant shore, influencing every hidden current. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for unintended consequences. Our understanding of the human genome, though rapidly advancing, is still remarkably incomplete. We know that genes rarely act in isolation. Instead, they interact in complex, intricate networks, influencing each other in ways that are often surprising and subtle. A seemingly small, beneficial change to one gene might have unforeseen, gentle effects on other genes, or on the overall balance of the complex biological system. It's like attempting to subtly adjust one delicate thread in a vast, interconnected tapestry, only to discover that the change subtly alters the tension and pattern of countless other threads across the entire weave. These ripples could manifest as new, unexpected health challenges, or even subtle vulnerabilities emerging generations down the line. Furthermore, there is the quiet concern about reducing genetic diversity. The natural gene pool, with its countless variations, is humanity's collective insurance policy against future challenges. It provides the raw material for adaptation, allowing our species to gently evolve and thrive in response to new diseases, changing environments, and unforeseen pressures. If we were to extensively design future generations by selecting for a narrow set of desirable traits, or by eliminating certain variations, we could inadvertently diminish this vital diversity. It's like cultivating only one type of plant in a vast field, making the entire crop vulnerable to a single blight, rather than embracing the natural resilience that comes from a multitude of varied species. Think of it in terms of the profound wisdom of natural selection. Over eons, nature has gently experimented, favoring traits that promote survival and flourishing in a multitude of environments. Many genetic variations that might appear undesirable in one context could, in another, provide a subtle advantage or resilience. For example, a genetic trait that might predispose one to a certain condition could also, in a different environmental setting or in combination with other genes, offer protection against another ailment. By making irreversible changes to the germline, we risk losing these nuanced, hidden advantages, subtly altering the future capacity of humanity to adapt and thrive. The ethical implications also extend to the concept of intergenerational equity. Decisions made today about altering the human germline would affect individuals who are not yet born and cannot consent to these changes. This places an immense and gentle burden of responsibility upon us. We become the silent stewards of future generations, making choices that will profoundly shape their very being. It's like charting a course for a ship and its future passengers, knowing that the journey will span many distant horizons, and every decision made now will subtly influence their entire voyage. This profound contemplation of the uncharted waters and the ripples in the gene pool invites us to approach the power of germline editing with immense caution, humility, and a deep respect for the long arc of evolutionary time. It reminds us that while our scientific prowess grows, our wisdom in applying it must grow even more. It tells us that the universe, in its boundless complexity, often holds secrets that are best approached with a quiet, patient reverence, acknowledging that some corrections might create larger, unforeseen imbalances. There is no need to rush into these profound alterations. Simply by resting in the quiet space of profound ethical consideration, you are participating in a timeless dance of human responsibility and cosmic reverence. So, as you rest now, allow yourself to sink even deeper into this gentle appreciation for the wisdom of genetic diversity. Feel the profound peace that comes from knowing that the subtle variations within humanity are a source of strength, beauty, and resilience. It is a safe haven, a familiar landscape of wisdom, a comforting embrace that holds you securely in its gentle grasp. There is no need to grasp every intricate scientific debate. Simply allow the peaceful awareness of this gentle, pervasive responsibility to wash over you, bringing a deep sense of serenity and profound peace. This appreciation for the uncharted waters can bring immense comfort. It affirms that the most valuable treasure is not found in uniformity or perfection, but in the boundless, inherent richness of natural variation. It empowers you to approach the evolving landscape of genetic science with a sense of wonder and deep respect for the subtle wisdom embedded within the laws of nature. It reminds you that within the quiet expanses of human endeavor, a timeless dance of innovation and profound ethical care unfolds, always available, always contributing to your gentle journey through life. Allow your mind to gently drift through these profound images now, like a slow, unburdened ripple, softly expanding across a vast, serene lake, contemplating the far-reaching effects of even the smallest touch. There's no need to strain or to analyze. Simply let the beauty and the quiet elegance of the uncharted waters, ripples in the gene pool, wash over you, bringing a deep sense of wonder and a quiet peace. As your breath deepens and your body softens into its resting place, imagine yourself connected to the vast, silent processes of life's intricate design, where every subtle variation holds a potential for profound, unfolding resilience. Feel the profound sense of belonging to this continuous, rhythmic flow of existence, held by the gentle, unseen forces that govern all things. Let your eyelids grow heavy now, as if tiny, ethereal whispers from future generations are drawing them slowly, softly downward. The sounds of the world are fading, becoming distant whispers. The uncharted waters, ripples in the gene pool, is guiding you deeper. Its quiet rhythm, a soothing presence in the quiet night. Rest now, dear listener, cradled in the boundless, nurturing embrace of human diversity, drifting softly towards the serene landscape of dreams, knowing that all is flowing, all is varied, and all is at peace. Settle even deeper now, dear friend, into this profound quiet, allowing your mind to expand gently, like a vast ancient forest where countless trees of every shape and shade stand together, their roots intertwined, each unique leaf breathing in harmony, contributing to the vibrant health and enduring resilience of the entire ecosystem. If your spirit feels as tranquil and appreciative as a quiet wanderer amidst such natural abundance, poised to discern the profound beauty in collective uniqueness, then you are perfectly poised for our next quiet contemplation. We have softly explored the uncharted waters of genetic alteration and the potential ripples across our shared gene pool. Today, let us gently return to the inherent wisdom of nature itself, understanding the symphony of sameness, the profound value of diversity. Imagine, if you will, a truly magnificent orchestra, preparing for a grand, silent performance. Each instrument, from the deep resonance of the cello to the shimmering clarity of the flute, the vibrant brass and the gentle whisper of the violins, possesses its own unique timbre, its own distinct voice. If every instrument were identical, if every musician played the exact same note, the resulting sound would be flat, monotonous, lacking depth and richness. It is precisely the harmonious interplay of all these distinct voices, the gentle blending of different sounds and textures, that creates a rich, full, and enduring symphony. This orchestra, in its profound variety, is a beautiful analogy for the diversity within the human gene pool, and indeed within all of life. Our journey through the intricate world of DNA has shown us that while your personal blueprint is wonderfully unique, it also shares profound similarities with every other human being, and indeed with all life on Earth. These fundamental commonalities form the sameness, the shared genetic heritage that makes us human, that allows us to communicate, to empathize, to build societies, and to recognize each other as kin. Yet, woven within this common fabric are countless subtle variations, the different alleles, the tiny differences in our genetic code that account for our unique appearances, predispositions, strengths, and even our differing ways of perceiving the world. These variations are the different instruments in our human symphony, and they are not accidental. They are profoundly valuable. Consider the immense wisdom of evolutionary history. Over millions of years, life on Earth has faced countless challenges, shifting climates, new diseases, changing environments, and unforeseen cataclysms. It is precisely the vast genetic diversity within populations and species that has allowed life to gently adapt, to discover new pathways to survival, and to continuously flourish. When faced with a new threat, it is often a rare or uncommon genetic variation, present in only a small portion of the population, that provides the key to resilience. This variation, once a quiet murmur, suddenly becomes a loud, vital note, allowing the species to gently shift, to survive, and to continue its unfolding journey. It's like a diverse garden, where some plants are resistant to drought, others to frost, and yet others to specific pests. This variety ensures that even if one challenge arises, the garden as a whole can endure and thrive. If, through intentional genetic alteration, we were to begin to diminish this natural range of human genetic variation, or to select only for a narrow set of desirable traits, we would, in a sense, be silencing certain instruments in our grand human orchestra. We might unknowingly discard traits that could prove invaluable for future adaptations. We might reduce our collective ability to respond to future pandemics, to unexpected environmental shifts, or to challenges we cannot even conceive of today. The beauty of the human gene pool lies not in its uniformity, but in its boundless, quiet capacity for subtle variation, for continuous evolution, and for robust resilience. Think of the human experience itself. It is enriched by a multitude of perspectives, talents, and inherent differences. Some individuals possess remarkable artistic gifts, others a profound capacity for scientific inquiry, others a deep empathy for their fellow beings. These inherent differences, shaped by the gentle interplay of our unique DNA and our life experiences, contribute to the richness of human culture, innovation, and social fabric. A world where everyone was optimized to be the same would be a world of profound monotony, lacking the vibrant, unpredictable beauty that arises from genuine, organic diversity. It's like a serene landscape, whose true beauty comes from the endless variations of its trees, its flowers, its mountains, and its waters, not from a single, repeated form. This understanding extends beyond physical traits to the subtle predispositions that contribute to our cognitive and emotional landscapes. There is profound value in the natural spectrum of human experience, in the different ways we think, feel, and interact with the world. By celebrating and preserving this natural diversity, we strengthen our species not just biologically, but also culturally and spiritually. We acknowledge that true strength lies in our collective, varied wisdom, in the myriad ways we can approach challenges and contribute to the gentle unfolding of human civilization. This profound contemplation of the symphony of sameness and the value of diversity invites us to embrace a deeper reverence for the intricate, undesigned beauty of human life. It reminds us that our unique genetic blueprints, in their collective entirety, form a robust and awe-inspiring mosaic. It encourages us to approach the future of genetic science with a gentle hand, prioritizing the preservation of this inherent diversity over any temptation to homogenize or perfect humanity. There is no need to actively direct humanity towards a singular ideal. Simply by resting in the quiet space of profound appreciation for our natural variation, you are participating in a timeless dance of human flourishing and cosmic harmony. So, as you rest now, allow yourself to sink even deeper into this gentle appreciation for the boundless variations within life. Feel the profound peace that comes from knowing that your unique contribution, your distinct note in the grand symphony of humanity, is precisely what makes the whole more beautiful and resilient. It is a safe haven, a familiar landscape of wisdom, a comforting embrace that holds you securely in its gentle grasp. There is no need to grasp every intricate scientific detail. Simply allow the peaceful awareness of this gentle, pervasive truth to wash over you, bringing a deep sense of serenity and profound peace. This appreciation for diversity's value can bring immense comfort. It affirms that true strength and enduring beauty lie in the kaleidoscope of life's many forms, in the symphony of countless unique notes. It empowers you to approach the evolving landscape of genetic science with a sense of wonder and deep respect for the subtle wisdom embedded within the laws of nature. It reminds you that within the quiet expanses of biological possibility, a timeless dance of difference and profound unity unfolds, always available, always contributing to your gentle journey through life. Allow your mind to gently drift through these profound images now, like a slow, unburdened note, softly blending into a vast, harmonious symphony, celebrating the unique beauty of every sound. There's no need to strain or to analyze. Simply let the beauty and the quiet elegance of the symphony of sameness, diversity's value, wash over you, bringing a deep sense of wonder and a quiet peace. As your breath deepens and your body softens into its resting place, imagine yourself connected to the vast, silent processes of life's intricate design, where every subtle variation holds a potential for profound, unfolding richness. Feel the profound sense of belonging to this continuous, rhythmic flow of existence, held by the gentle and unseen forces that govern all things. Let your eyelids grow heavy now, as if tiny, ethereal whispers from the collective wisdom of all life are drawing them slowly, softly downward. The sounds of the world are fading, becoming distant whispers. The symphony of sameness, diversity's value, is guiding you deeper, its quiet rhythm a soothing presence in the quiet night. Rest now, dear listener, cradled in the boundless, nurturing embrace of human diversity, drifting softly towards the serene landscape of dreams, knowing that all is flowing, all is varied, and all is at peace. Settle even deeper now, dear friend, into this profound quiet, allowing your mind to expand gently, like a vast, serene lake whose depths hold countless shimmering reflections, each unique and beautiful in its own way, all cradled within the same boundless embrace of water. If your spirit feels as tranquil and unconditionally loving as this receptive expanse, poised to discern the profound beauty in every unique form, then you are perfectly poised for our next quiet contemplation. We have softly journeyed through the intricate blueprint of DNA, its ancient whispers, its elegant structure, its building blocks, and the vast, beautiful tapestry of human diversity. Today, let us gently return to the most profound, most personal truth, the heart's gentle wisdom, found in the embrace of acceptance. Imagine, if you will, the unique whisper of your own DNA, that intricate blueprint that makes you, unequivocally, you. It is a masterpiece, crafted over eons of evolution, containing within its delicate spirals the echoes of your ancestors, the specific instructions for your cells, and the subtle predispositions that contribute to your very essence. This blueprint is not something you chose. It is a gift of existence, bestowed upon you by the grand, silent forces of the cosmos. It's like finding a precious, handcrafted instrument, perfectly tuned for a unique melody, your melody. You didn't design it, but it is undeniably yours, awaiting your gentle touch to bring forth its song. For much of our journey through the wonders of DNA, we have explored the scientific intricacies, the double helix, the language of genes, the astonishing technologies that allow us to interact with this fundamental code. And while these explorations are profoundly valuable and expand our understanding, it is crucial to remember that the deepest, most enduring wisdom often lies not in what we can change or manipulate, but in what we can accept and cherish. This is the profound, quiet power of the heart's gentle wisdom. It calls us to embrace ourselves, and indeed all others, in their inherent, unadorned truth, recognizing the boundless beauty that already exists. Consider the immense relief that washes over you when you release the need for external validation or internal critique about your own inherent nature. Perhaps your genes predispose you to a certain way of thinking, or a particular physical trait, or even a subtle emotional inclination. In a world that often emphasizes conformity or idealizes certain characteristics, it can be tempting to wish for a different blueprint, to gently strive to be someone you are not. But the heart's gentle wisdom whispers a different truth. Your deepest peace comes from honoring your authentic self, from embracing the unique song that only your instrument can play. It's like a vibrant wildflower, not striving to be a rose, but simply blossoming fully in its own perfect, wild beauty, knowing its inherent value. This acceptance is not a passive resignation. It is an active, compassionate choice. It is the gentle recognition that every part of your blueprint, every thread in your genetic tapestry, contributes to the whole of who you are. Even those aspects you might perceive as flaws or challenges can, through the lens of wisdom, be understood as integral parts of your unique journey, perhaps even offering subtle strengths or profound lessons. This embraces the entire spectrum of your being, acknowledging that your story is written with every fiber of your inherited code. This extends, profoundly, to our acceptance of others. Just as your DNA is a unique masterpiece, so too is the DNA of every other human being, every person you encounter, every face you see, every voice you hear, carries within them an equally intricate, equally ancient, and equally valuable genetic blueprint. Their predispositions, their temperaments, their appearances are also gifts of existence, to be met with kindness and understanding. The heart's gentle wisdom cultivates a boundless compassion, allowing us to see beyond superficial differences and to recognize the profound, shared humanity that pulses beneath every unique genetic variation. It's like understanding that every single star in the night sky, though appearing different in size and brightness, is fundamentally made of the same cosmic elements, each shining with its own precious light. In a world increasingly capable of analyzing, and perhaps even altering, our fundamental genetic code, the wisdom of acceptance becomes more vital than ever. It serves as a gentle anchor, reminding us that true human value is not something that can be measured, quantified, or designed. It is inherent, sacred, and pre-exists any scientific manipulation. It whispers that while science can offer tools for healing, the deepest wellspring of well-being flows from the simple, profound act of acknowledging and embracing the intrinsic worth of every life, exactly as it is, in its naturally unfolding beauty. This profound contemplation of the heart's gentle wisdom and the embrace of acceptance brings an immense sense of liberation, peace, and deep interconnectedness. It reminds us that our true power lies not in changing what is, but in lovingly embracing it. It tells us that the universe, in its boundless generosity, has created a symphony of diverse beings, and each note, each instrument, is indispensable to the whole. There is no need to strive for an imagined perfection. Simply by resting in the quiet space of profound self-acceptance and acceptance of others, you are participating in a timeless dance of human flourishing and cosmic harmony. So, as you rest now, Allow yourself to sink even deeper into this gentle appreciation for the wisdom of acceptance. Feel the profound peace that comes from knowing that your inherent value is unwavering, unchangeable, and perfectly complete. It is a safe haven, a familiar landscape of wisdom, a comforting embrace that holds you securely in its gentle grasp. There is no need to grasp every intricate philosophical debate. Simply allow the peaceful awareness of this gentle, pervasive truth to wash over you, bringing a deep sense of serenity and profound peace. This appreciation for acceptance can bring immense comfort. It affirms that the most valuable treasure is not found in seeking to be different, but in celebrating the profound beauty of who you already are. It empowers you to approach the evolving landscape of life, with all its scientific wonders and personal challenges, with a sense of groundedness and profound inner peace. It reminds you that within the quiet expanses of your own being, a timeless dance of self-love and boundless compassion unfolds, always available, always contributing to your gentle journey through life. Allow your mind to gently drift through these profound images now, like a slow, unburdened reflection, softly settling upon the vast, still surface of a serene lake, recognizing the perfect beauty in every unique ripple. There's no need to strain or to analyze. Simply let the beauty and the quiet elegance of the heart's gentle wisdom, acceptance, wash over you, bringing a deep sense of wonder and a quiet peace. As your breath deepens and your body softens into its resting place, imagine yourself connected to the vast, silent processes of universal love and inherent worth, where every subtle variation holds a potential for profound, unfolding beauty. Feel the profound sense of belonging to this continuous, rhythmic flow of existence, held by the gentle, unseen forces that govern all things. Let your eyelids grow heavy now, as if tiny, ethereal whispers of unconditional love are drawing them slowly, softly downward. The sounds of the world are fading, becoming distant whispers. The heart's gentle wisdom, acceptance, is guiding you deeper. Its quiet rhythm a soothing presence in the quiet night. Rest now, dear listener, cradled in the boundless, nurturing embrace of your own precious, accepted self, drifting softly towards the serene landscape of dreams, knowing that all is flowing, all is accepted, and all is at peace. Drift now, dear friend, into the deepest stillness, a place where time softens, and the very air feels imbued with an ancient, comforting peace. If your spirit is as calm and unbound as a solitary leaf gently falling to the quiet forest floor, then you are perfectly poised to receive the final, gentle embrace of our shared journey. We've traced the subtle whisper of your unique genetic blueprint, exploring its elegant double helix dance, and listening to the ancient messages it carries from a boundless past. We've softly explored how this silent language of genes builds the very fabric of your being, and touched upon the weaver's tools that hint at new possibilities for repair and perhaps even beyond. We've pondered the uncharted waters of genetic change and the profound value in the symphony of our natural diversity. Now, let us gather all these threads of wonder into a tranquil conclusion, a final lullaby woven from the very essence of your being, and drift into the lullaby of our gentle unfolding selves. As you lie in this profound quietude, bathed in the soft, inner glow of your own peaceful awareness, let us remember that the wondrous concepts we have gently explored are not merely scientific curiosities to be intellectually grasped. They are invitations to reconnect with your own living, breathing self in a deeper, more intimate way, to broaden your understanding of your being not as a collection of separate parts, but as a vast, interconnected tapestry of subtle forces and hidden wonders. We've journeyed through the intricate dance of the universe, from the silent flow of our minutes to the fundamental instructions coded within your very cells, and then, most intimately, back to the profound artistry of your very own existence within time. And through it all, we've seen a pervasive truth your own unfolding, nestled within this remarkable cosmic dance, is a continuous process of mystery, revelation, and boundless peace. Think of your life now, this precious, unique narrative, not as a static form, but as a constantly flowing stream. From your very first breath, your journey has been one of continuous growth, adaptation, and gentle transformation. The universe, in its boundless wisdom, has provided the grand stage of biological inheritance, where ancient whispers guide the formation of cells, and elegant structures like the double helix continuously replicate, causing your being to unfold moment by moment. Yet, within this vast cosmic blueprint, your personal journey remains wonderfully, beautifully, and reliably unfolding forward. This ceaseless becoming, this gentle evolution of your being, is the most profound miracle you witness every moment. You are not a fixed point, but a flowing river, always moving, always changing, always discovering new contours of your own beauty within the steady progression of your now. The contemplation of your DNA, with its deep historical roots and its potential for future change, softly reminds us of humanity's ever-present journey of discovery. We are curious beings, driven by a gentle urge to understand, to explore the boundaries of what is possible, and to refine our perception of reality. Yet, through this exploration, we are also invited to cultivate wisdom, a wisdom that recognizes the delicate balance between what science suggests and what our lived experience confirms. It is a wisdom that cherishes the inherent value of the self we are, recognizing that even the grandest scientific theories ultimately return us to the simple, profound truth of our immediate present being. The quiet whisper of genetic power does not define us, but rather gently illuminates our capacity for wonder, reminding us to tread softly and with profound respect for the intricate fabric of life itself, as it unfolds moment by precious moment, moment by. The greatest lesson, perhaps, lies in the power of acceptance and presence. To anchor yourself in the precious now, accepting your unique blueprint, is to embrace a profound peace. It is to recognize that you are whole, exactly as you are, a masterpiece woven into the cosmic tapestry, experiencing life in its most fundamental and beautiful form as a continuous, gentle unfolding. Your journey through life, your unique dance with your inherited traits and your lived experiences, creates a being unlike any other, a singular note in the symphony of humanity's unfolding existence. This presence extends to every gentle breath, every quiet thought, fostering a deeper connection not just to yourself, but to the boundless rhythmic flow of existence itself. It's like gazing at a vast, ancient forest and finding profound contentment, not in its distant origins or its future growth, but in the shimmering beauty of the trees around you. Right here, right now, each one unique, each one perfect in its own unfolding. This realization that your being is a continuous, beautiful unfolding within the flexible yet reliable stream of time, that the universe holds boundless mysteries within and around you, and that the deepest peace lies in the embrace of your authentic self, in the present moment, is a source of deep tranquility. It allows us to release the need for complete certainty, to let go of the pressure to understand every biological secret. Instead, we can simply rest in the vastness of the unknown within and around us, allowing its inherent mystery to soothe our minds and calm our spirits. The universe doesn't require us to solve all its puzzles before it offers its peace. Its peace is always there, woven into the very fabric of existence, waiting to be embraced. It is a continuous, gentle reassurance that the possibilities for life and for your own growth are endless. And within that boundlessness, there is a deep, profound calm. Your being, in its infinite wisdom and boundless beauty, is a place designed for both profound activity and deep rest. It explores, it learns, it expands, and then it settles into periods of serene quietude, much like the gentle rhythm of the tides, ebbing and flowing with the moon. You, too, are part of this rhythm, this human ebb and flow. You are moving with your own inner cosmos, breathing with the subtle currents of existence, flowing with the timeless essence of life itself. a cherished part of this magnificent, ongoing story. Feel your body now, heavy and warm, sinking deeper into the supportive surface beneath you. Let your breath become softer, slower, a gentle wave pulling you further from the shores of wakefulness. The thoughts of the day have faded, the edges of the world have blurred, and only peace remains. Close your eyes, if they are not already closed, and imagine a soft, grounding warmth surrounding you, a warmth woven from the deep wisdom of your own gentle unfolding self, the ancient rhythm of your breath, and the silent, pervasive embrace of your own enduring life force. This warmth is gentle, comforting, and utterly safe. It whispers a silent lullaby, a melody composed of inherent value, of hidden connections and boundless potential, echoing through the long, quiet sleep of time. Let the vast, silent wisdom of your own precious, continuously evolving being cradle you now, humming the lullaby of our gentle unfolding selves. Rest now. Dear listener, held tenderly within the grand, living embrace of your unified self and this miraculous planet, allow yourself to drift effortlessly into the profound peace of sleep. May your dreams be as vast and nurturing as your own inner wisdom, and may you awaken refreshed, renewed, and filled with the quiet magic of your own complete existence. All is harmony, and all is peace.